this is Sue with Get Sold, and I'm making a run today for a set of French doors, and it's the first inkling of feeling like my old self in over a year, since I've been going through the most intense clearings and trauma stuff and all that. And yesterday or Monday, Elizabeth Apel had an amazing video which really just nailed a lot of the stuff that's been happening with trauma coming up, with feeling like yourself, not feeling like yourself, like wanting to do nothing at all, and then what she calls like holding patterns, like being stuck, and then maybe a couple of days of action and so forth. And it has been brutal, and this is a symbolic thing. My other half says, oh, you're picking up more junk, and it literally triggered me, because right now I don't do anything. Like, I don't socialize, I don't drink, I don't do drugs, I've just been solitary to myself, not going anywhere, doing anything. So I'd given up on the bistro because I didn't have anybody to come to the house, and that made me feel like shit. Because anyway, so it's been a long ass journey. Like, I couldn't even find words to explain, and then I couldn't make videos. I still have Sold 2K videos to put out. I couldn't even do it. Oops. Apparently I can't even hold my phone. So I'm going to pick up these doors as a symbol of just doing, and it'll finish off one part of the bistro for whatever good it does. But I have somebody there now, and this person really appreciates all the things that I've done over there. And not that I was doing it for anybody, I was doing it because that's how I survive. Through the artistic, through the creative. That's all I know. That's all I know. And now I just have to learn how to make money doing it so that I can, support myself. But getting out in the world has not been a thing that I knew how to do or felt comfortable doing. So, anyways, here we go. The rocks was a part of that too, when I used to always get rocks. It's just innate. It's just what I know to do to survive. I mean, okay, I'll keep you posted. Thanks. So I got here and I met this beautiful, beautiful couple. I had sent them pictures of the bistro, and they had sent it to their relatives because they were tickled by it, and I couldn't have made a nicer connection. I'm just leaving there now. Maybe in the future I'll be able to get, people to star in my videos or whatever, but I'm not there yet. So this was a beautiful, made me feel good, made them feel good because they're gonna go to a good cause. So this was a beautiful things. I told them my story about how I built it and all that stuff, and so thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't often get a chance to stop and smell the roses, so to speak, but I love this road, and it's very, very beautiful in the summertime. I love my clothes. They're so beautiful. There's me doors. I've never been able to stop and just look. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that big willow tree. Gosh, and then some farmland over here. This is like heaven. This right here is heaven. This right here is heaven.